show of the trading show that we're doing here. Sorry, I'm just a little off this morning, but welcome. My name is Cameron Ficker. You're at Traders Network Club, and welcome to the Pip Hunter Trading Show. So my ear's still blocked, and it just hasn't got better. So I'm struggling to hear myself speak. So just bear with me, guys. But we are closing out. We just closed out all 4 of our trades yesterday. So the Cad Swiss took a little while, I believe, to close out last night. So we all closed out all of our pips, our 20 pips in each trade last night and yesterday. So we're going to be looking for some more opportunities today. So let's get right to it after this break. All right, welcome back and good morning. Good morning to everyone. Glad you guys can make it to the show. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. And let's see what opportunities we have in the market to get in. And let's see if we can go ahead and get in all the trades. Because the more we can get in, the more money, right? But we are going to take our confirmation seriously. So we're not going to force any trades. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Gabby. I do not speak Spanish, so I do not know if you want to translate whatever you're saying into English. I do not know Spanish. I'm sorry about that. Good morning, Jan. Okay, let's go ahead and share my screen. All right. So let's go ahead and jump into Aussie Cad like we always like to start off with. Okay. All right, looking at the 1 hour. We are on this downtrend in the 1 hour. I believe we sold yesterday. Price came back down, hit our demand level, and that's what we look for, okay? So let's go ahead. Okay, so do we see any positive divergence as of right now? Good morning, Hector. Good morning, John. All right, we're on the Aussie Cad right now, checking for some trade opportunities. So price has been creating lower lows, and we're on this downtrend. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 50-minute. All right. You're looking at the 50-minute. So I want to see. Okay. So there is a little divergence right here. Just a little bit on this consolidation right here, as price is kind of flat right here. And we have this little downtrend. So that's definitely going to show me that we're going to move up. Now, we could move up just to this trend line, okay? To this resistance level, this key level here on this trend line. So let me go ahead and see. Let me go ahead and see. Okay, 21 pips. So that's pretty close to the trend line. We are at a demand level, so price could be kind of moving into a breakthrough pattern as it comes between this resistance trend line and the demand zone right here, before it breaks out. Okay. Now I'm not getting. Price has to kind of move on this last high right here, which by the time it gets to this last high, that's going to be near out 20 pips. Okay, if price can break through that. So with that being said, we're already at demand level. We stick to our strategy where we buy, and price even came lower here too. Okay, in the previous swing, downswing here. So we are going to go ahead and stick to our strategy where we buy at support and sell at resistance using these demand supply zones, and also using dollar cost average in. Okay, so if price keeps going down, we go ahead and we cost average. Okay, we get into more entries to go ahead and average our costs so we can reach our target sooner. So let's go ahead and buy on the Aussie Cad. Before I do that, Gary, I'm still in the US CAD, needing 70 pips. Can you look at that after? Okay, still in the US CAD. Yes, we will. We will be looking at the US CAD because we will be looking to get in a trade today. All right, so let's go ahead and buy on the Aussie Cad. Okay. Oops, I do not have this. So let me, 1 second, guys. Let me just go ahead and log in here. Forgot to log in this morning. Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, guys. Sorry about that. Thought I was logged in, but I guess it logged me out. It's gonna take a little minute to log back in here. Could just lag up a little bit as I'm logging back in. All right, it's loading up, and all right, I'm in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. All right, we're back. So Aussie Cad, we said we're gonna go ahead and buy on the Aussie Cad. So let's go ahead and put a long position on the Aussie Cad. All right, we're in the Aussie Cad. Okay. Euro US dollar, and then we'll get to that US CAD there. I believe Gary not. So we'll get there for you. All right, so year on the Euro US dollar. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up. Just double check something here. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the 1 hour. All right, looking at the 1 hour here, broke through this on the 1 hour, so we are moving. Look at that. So we are in a little consolidation here, actually, in the 1 hour. Price is not creating higher. It's not creating higher highs or lower highs. Um, so now what I do see here, I do see is a little negative divergence. Okay. So price was creating these lower lows, and then price came, broke through this. Okay. So we are moving to a previous demand zone. Okay. It looks like price, sorry, did I say demand zone? Sorry, supply zone. Seems like price wants to come to these zones right here. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. 1 second here. All right. So price does want to come to these and test this um, supply zone right here. Okay. So and price did not come down here as you can see, it created. Let me see here. So as you can see, price. Oh, that was a terrible line. Terrible line. Computer's. Sorry, guys. I'm lagging up a little here because my VPS is out. So let's do that line. So, anyways, right here from this low to that, you can see it's a little negative divergence here on the momentum. It's a lower low here and it's a higher low here. Okay. So we do have a little negative divergence. Price is getting to this, moving close to this previous supply zone. Okay. So we have these spots where price is testing and we're looking to sell here. Okay. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and sell on the euro US dollar. What are the RSI values that you're using when you check the divergence? Just like this, I'm looking for the lows to see if there's any I'm looking at these lows right here to see if there's any positive divergence. Okay. So right now, actually I did this wrong too. So let me go ahead and show you right here. So we're looking for negative divergence. Okay. So what I do is I look at the lows, and if the momentum is showing me opposite than price, that's giving me divergence. Okay. All right. So that being said, we don't have any negative divergence right now. Okay. So we look for negative divergence on the top. Right now we don't have any negative divergence, but we are moving close to a supply zone. All right. Trying to see if we don't really have any divergence. Okay. So I was actually incorrect there. There's no divergence, negative divergence as of right now. So, oh, I want to delete that. So with price moving, and we are on 1 hour right now. So we're going to go ahead and look at the 15-minute time frame here to get a better understanding here. Okay. And this trend line here, what's this trend line I have here? Oh, okay, we can delete this. So price sometimes just likes to come back up here and test this trend line too, come back down. So let me go ahead and put a nice little demand. I'll put a little demand zone right here. Okay. Turn that to green. So we know that's where price likes to come back down. Now we can see if there's any divergence here. Trying to see, so price had created lower highs right here and then broke through this high. Okay. Now price could definitely come back up here to this liquidity zone and come back down. So with that being said, is there any negative divergence? Not really. Okay. Not really. Not right now. Momentum could start turning around as price keeps moving up a little bit though. So we don't really have any negative divergence, but we are moving to an overbought position. Okay, as you can see right here, RSI. I also look at this. RSI is moving to an overbought position. Don't have any negative divergence. we are moving close to our supply zone and that trend line that I had for resistance. So we're going to go ahead and sell on the euro US dollar. And I believe, let me draw that trend line again. I know I deleted it. So sometimes price comes back up, comes back up to this trend line and does test that too. So it might not even get to the supply zone, but it could break a little. It could break through a little bit and come back down and test that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sell on the euro US dollar. And I am using our Pip Hunter Trading Tool, which makes it a lot easy and simple by just clicking sell. And if you guys are interested in this tool, go ahead and check our starter membership on our website. You can check that out in the description below by going to our website and checking our starter membership. All right. So let's go to the US CAD there, Gary. And let's check that out. You said um, you are in a sell position, right? In the US CAD, Gary? Oh no, I believe what position are you in, Gary? Sell? Okay, so you're in a short position. All right. So let's go ahead and check this out. So looking at the 1 hour on the US CAD. So this is okay. So we're looking for this breakthrough, right? And you need 70 pips. All right. Okay, so price is not breaking that yet. And 70 pips here. Okay, so you're just waiting for price to get near this is a previous demand zone, okay, previous. But it's a very strong key supply zone. As you can see, price comes back up and does not want to break through. It did break through here. So we do have this supply zone right here where we are looking at the all-time highs of these swings. So price does break and test this high, the supply zone here on the high, but it comes back down and wants to test this strong key level right here of supply. Okay, so price could come back down here, test that. Looks like you just missed it right here. Okay, but it most likely is going to come back down. So let's go ahead and look at the 50-minute because we're going to probably go ahead and sell here as well. We do got to break through this trend. Oh, we do got to break through this trend line. Let me go ahead and zoom this up. All right, it took a while to get in there. All right, so so right now we are looking for 20 pips, okay, for us, and that is easily could be done as price could even move, test this supply or this trend line right here, okay. Now we do have an uptrend here, a short little uptrend right here. So we got price creating these high highs. Actually, price broke through this right here. So price is definitely going to come back down to test this liquidity right here. It's coming in and fill this liquidity. And that is definitely going to hit our 20 pips. Okay, that's 40 pips. Now price could even drop lower. And hopefully we can get close into that 70 pip range, you're in the supply zone right here, okay, Gary? So you might want to just hold. You're going to be holding on for a little bit, but it's definitely going to get there. Okay. So looking at my RSI here, and right here, let me zoom in a little. See, right here, we do have negative divergence, okay, as we kind of have it. I don't know why I keep picking that one. Hold up, I don't like that one. So we do have it flat right here, okay, and we do have momentum going down. So this shows us negative divergence on the RSI. So there's the negative divergence that you are looking for, Tigas. So sorry for the if I'm not pronouncing your name right. But so yeah, we are moving we are moving, price is moving down. Well, momentum is showing us, and we do see the price is starting to come down now. So we are gonna be selling on the US CAD to reach our previous demand zone right here. Now price could break through and test that supply zone. Okay. So let's go ahead and sell on the US CAD. Oh my gosh, I am struggling with my tools today. All right, now so Gary, looking at this downtrend here. Okay, we did get a little correction here. Now price is breaking through this last valid low right here. Okay, so that's why we also gonna get a move down right now. Okay, so as you can see right here on this downtrend, this was the low right here. Okay, so price broke through that, could come back down and fill this liquidity. Okay, so that right here is not your 70 pips, but that is going to hit out 20 pips. And if price breaks through these lows right here, then we should be able to reach your 70 pips there, Gary. So let's go ahead and sell on the US CAD. US CAD sell. Now we in these live shows for our strategy, we are just targeting 20 pips, okay? 20 pips. Joseph is late. Sorry, I'm late. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Joseph. No worries. This is the recap that we did. We just went in a short position on the US CAD. Just did that right now. We did go short in the euro, US dollar. Okay. And the US dollar, you probably even get in a better price. So if you want to go ahead and get in that position as well, you can, the euro US dollar. And in the Aussie CAD, you're about 5 pips right now late. So I would maybe wait for Aussie CAD to drop a little bit, about maybe four to 3 pips before you want to get in the Aussie CAD. Okay. But in the euro US dollar, you're fine to get in the euro US dollar. All right, guys, real quick, here's a video brought by a sponsor, 8cap. All right, there's 8cap. You guys are interested in signing with that broker, go and check out the link in the description below if you're interested in that. Okay. So we got 3 pairs in so far. We got 2 left. Let's see if we can go ahead and snipe all of them out, baby. So let's go ahead and check out these last 2 pairs. CAD Swiss and New Zealand CAD we have left. So let's start off with the CAD Swiss. Let's go ahead and check the 1 hour here. So we are in this little consolidation. Okay. So right now, as of right now, you can see price is creating a support and resistance, okay? And we move this consolidation till price breaks. Now, this previous zone right here is a key level of demand, okay? As you can see, price comes back and really, really pushes price up, okay? As you can see, right here, right here, right here, and right here, okay? And all this right here. So price came back down. Now it's kind of testing this. So price now look, price does have a huge falling wedge right here. It's so much imbalance zones right here, okay? So much imbalance zones right here where price needs to come back up, okay? Needs to fill these areas. And we have consolidation right now as price is creating support and resistance. We're right now at support, okay? We're at support. So let me go ahead and move closer here. This is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the 15-minute time frame. All right. Okay. So price is very close to the support level. So we are gonna move back up to this demand zone. Do I see any positive divergence? Yes, I do. Okay. Yes, I do. Looking at the RSI again, Tigas, we are seeing momentum going up as price is moving down, okay, from the lows. I'm looking at the lows of the price. As price is creating lower lows, momentum is creating higher lows. So we are getting a switch in momentum, which is showing me that there will be a turnaround and price is going to go up. And we are at support. So we're going to go ahead and buy here on the CAD Swiss. Now, real quick before I do that, let me just see how much pips it is to get. Okay, so that's about over 55 pips. So don't worry about that because we are reaching our 20 pip target. How many pips of spacing between entries are you using in the EA? So yes, in the EA here, okay, fixed pip distance is 25 pips. Okay, I don't know if you can even see that. It's pretty small on my screen, but it's 25 pips. Herb. Yes, that's correct too, Gary. RSI is 30 and 70. All right, so US CAD. Oh, sorry, we're not on US CAD. We're on the CAD Swiss. So CAD Swiss, we are going to go ahead and buy on the CAD Swiss. Okay, buy on the CAD Swiss. All right, we're left with the New Zealand Cad. Let's see if we can go ahead and jump in all these trades today. Herb says thank you. No worries, Herb. Real quick, guys, if you guys are enjoying this show, please go ahead and support the channel by smashing the like button. That really helps a lot for us to keep creating these videos. And of course, I've already mentioned that these videos will be private soon. So, in our Starter Pro membership. That probably we don't have an exact date, but we're getting very close to launching that soon. Okay, so these videos will be private. So if you do like these videos, be a part of our Starter Pro membership as we are going to be offering a community. As we build a community, we're going to be offering a Discord channel, and we're all going to be part of that. And if you guys are interested in our Pip, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, not only Traders Network Club, but also subscribe to FxBigDog because he also will be posting when we launch this Starter Pro membership. We will be posting different content um, on our Traders Network Club, talking about Forex strategies and different ways to analyze the market. And on FxBigDog and Traders Network Club, we will be posting once a week of a live trading session, just to put it in there for you guys for our Pip Hunter Trade Replicator. So if you guys are interested in our professional membership and want the Pip Trader Replicator, is doing amazing, go ahead and check out a professional membership on our website. And it's doing amazing. We are on the verge of almost 250% this year. So we are doing amazing with the Pip Trader Replicator. Everyone is happy, and that makes me happy. So go ahead and check that out on our professional membership. Todd Piner, how much is it? Are you talking about the Starter Pro or the professional membership, Todd? New Zealand Cad. Gary McDonald. It sure is making money. Yes, Gary, the Pip Hunter is trade replicator is definitely making money. And to answer your question, Todd, the trade replicator for the professional membership is starts off at $97. Okay, for the first month. Okay, $97 for the first month, and then I'll start a pro membership. We'll start at $67 for the first month. Okay. All right. That being said, last pair for the day. New Zealand Cad. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. So look at that. Price is moving. Right now, price is kind of in between my support and my resistance, well, my supply zone and my demand zone. Okay. We'll go up to Todd Pine. We'll go up to are you saying will we change price? We will never change the price, Todd. If you're talking about the membership prices, I don't know what you're referring there. Anyways, going back here. So we do have, looks like price did not hit this demand zone, huh? Price did not, New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, we always find it in a weird position when we look at the New Zealand CAD, huh? So let's go ahead and see what we can do here. Okay. So right now, price did give me some positive divergence here on the 1 hour. Okay. As we got this a little positive emergence on these lows, and price is moving up. Okay. Price is starting to move up. Now, price could move to that demand zone. Okay. I mean, sorry, supply zone. Price could move to the supply zone right here. Okay. So let's see. I would like to see that is 30 pips. So that is not a lot for price to move. Now let's go look at the 50-minute here. Let's go look at the 50-minute here. See what we're really looking at. Oh wow, look at this. So yeah, you can see a lot of positive divergence here. Okay, a lot of positive divergence on this 50-minute. Okay. Now looking at, here's the last valid high. Okay. By looking at my MACD, price was creating a low year. Okay. and price create a low. Probably this might be the low right here. Okay, so we had lower lows. This price want to come back up and test this previous high. Okay, price is moving to close to an overbought position. Hmm. Hmm. That being said, let's go ahead and buy. Let's go ahead and buy, guys. We are kind of in between, and look at that price is moving a lot. We are kind of in between, but we're gonna go ahead and buy. Even if price comes back down for correction, I still think it's gonna make a move to this supply zone. So let's go ahead and buy before price keeps moving up, just so we can get in all these trades and see if we can close out all of them. New Zealand Cad. Let's go ahead and buy on the New Zealand Cad. So there it is, guys. We got in all these trades. Um, so we'll see tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, today's Wednesday. So tomorrow will be our last session for the week. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and recap in all these trades, see what happens, and obviously look for more opportunities to end the week strong. So appreciate you guys watching. Definitely keep an eye on the New Zealand Cat to see what the New Zealand Cat does. But other than that, all these other trades has a lot of good confirmations and should be good. So we'll see how that ends up tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow for another trading show, same time like always at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So you guys take care, enjoy the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.